Hey guys, what is up? I wanted to do an update on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I hope that you caught this big pump that happened that I spoke about a couple of days ago. I did a video on showing you why I reckoned we were going to start turning around. So here we are today. It's the 30th of September. We're nearly at the end of the month. And these are my reasons for why I think we're definitely not going bear. We're definitely going bullish. So just today, we can see that there's like a bullish engulfing already on the 4 hour candle, and the day's just begun. So, and I drew a trend line. This is on Ethereum, right? And it's respecting this trend line. It's hit it a few times already. If we look at the daily, so can you see how there's a longer term trend line happening here, which I actually only just spotted recently because I had a small one drawn and I'm like, what if that's part of a larger one? So I drew it in and it's definitely part of a larger one. So it is respecting this trend line, which is awesome. And so my reasons for thinking that we are now at a reversal stage and I think we're going to be turning around big time. I'm going for another big bull run um, because of the following reasons. So I'm looking at the daily chart. Let's zoom out to the weekly. Okay, so you can see my trend line a bit clearer. There is a definite trend happening. It went back down to touch it on the weekly. So this is a weekly trend. I think we're going to be respecting that. And I'm going to be um, keeping a close eye on that, extending it out because I feel like that's what it's going to be respecting this next leg up. So, what I'm thinking and what I'm seeing, and why I think we're due for the next leg up is this. So, let's go down to the daily again. Yeah, so you can see my Fibonacci levels. It's also respecting the 38.2, which is a nice, healthy retracement. And yeah, so that and the trend line, the fib retracement, plus we're also in like a bull flag here, or could be a pennant, like a, what do you call it? I forget the shape name of it now, but you can see this is a bullish sign as well. And then on top of that, that's three signs, bullish pennant, that's right. So there's three signs as well, because you can see from the last bull run up that here it even says bull on my indicator at the low point here, 1718 ETH turned around and started going bull. So I'm just going to break it down what I'm seeing and all the signals. So there's already three big signals there. And then the fourth one is now that it has reached back into the 10 EMA. Is it the 10 one? Let me check. So the 10, yeah, it's now above the 10 EMA. And the last time it turned around and went bull for a while there, it did the same thing. It broke through the 10 EMA, which has now done that on the daily. And I'm watching to see, and it should be doing this over the next few days and weeks. It's going to be now respecting the 20 EMA as a support level. And so, yeah, I'm going to be watching that. So I'm expecting it to also break through the 20 EMA, which is the red line. And that's why I put an alert there. So yeah, and break through this, um, flag as well and keep going up now that we've touched the longer term trend line. And RSI, if we look back at the last bull run, rather the last trending up, here it was below 50. Okay, I like to think that when it goes above 50 is when we're going for a nice run. So it's right at this minute, it's still below 50, which is the same level as it was here. Okay. And then it only went above 50 at this point here when it broke through the 20 EMA level. And then it kept going for a few weeks. So I'm expecting the same thing to happen. How long this next leg up is going to last, I don't know, but I am going to be trading it all the way up, that's for sure. And yeah, so you can see that there's that many signals indicating that this is definitely the start of a reversal, and there's no need to panic. This is not going into bear territory anytime soon, according to what I see. So yeah, this is not financial advice. Please don't take this as like my financial advice. This is just what I see on charts and what I trade. So yeah, do your own research and trade at your own risk. So, and as well as that, I'm also looking at the MACD for momentum. The lines are currently below the 50 as well, but when it's below, as it was here, usually that means there's more momentum pushing it up to get past the 50 level, or the, sorry, not the 50, the 0 level is the level I'm watching to see. Once it goes over that, we're going bull for a while. So that's another indicator. So yeah, just wanted to share that's Ethereum, and Bitcoin is looking very similar because Bitcoin and Ethereum are pretty tied together. So you can see the same thing has happened on Bitcoin. I'm using the same indicators, and these are actually the only two pairs that I trade. We try and make things complicated, right? But that's actually all you need to do. Well, again, this is just my technique, what I'm doing. I only trade Ethereum and Bitcoin. Maybe I'm limiting myself by doing that, but I like study these pairs every single day, and it's kind of like surfing when you get to know a wave and you know it intimately. This is how I feel about Bitcoin and Ethereum. I know it very intimately now and feel very comfortable just trading these two pairs. I haven't actually gotten to know any other coins as intimately as I know these two. So yeah, that's why I love trading them. And you can see that there's countless opportunities to trade. You know, there's so much volume and so much volatility. It's just crazy. Like, why would you need to trade anything else? So yeah, Bitcoin, we're doing the same thing. Um, there, there isn't a longer term trend line that I've drawn here, but maybe I should draw one. Let's see if I can. Let me see. Maybe there is one that we can't see at the moment. Maybe it's starting all the way from down here. Who knows? Let's see while I'm recording this. This could be interesting. Yeah, no, it doesn't quite hit it, I would think. Let's see. Yeah, it's a bit hard to see because I've got all the Fibonacci lines drawn in. Oh yeah, look, it's touched it twice there. But yeah, no, it's not the same thing as we can see on Ethereum, so I won't draw that in. Yeah, so Bitcoin, look, on the weekly, it is now green, which is a great sign. It's turning around as well, another indicator. On the weekly, it's above the 50. Let's go down to the daily. So yeah, I believe this is the turnaround that we are seeing right now. We're seeing the start of the next bull run leg up, and the turnaround is happening as we speak. We're going to end the month tomorrow, and I think October is going to be a great month for the bulls. So yeah, just sharing If you're interested in trading, if you've never done it before, check out the link in my bio. I've got some free videos my mentors have made, some short 10-minute clips you can watch as an intro. If not, if you're already experienced, you can always hit me up for one-on-one advice as well. Links in my bio. And I have all these links for sign-ups as well, which give you bonuses and rebates as well. So be sure to check them out, and happy trading and have a great day. Cheers.